Hi, and welcome back to another Beaver Lake spring thaw status near Erinsville and Tamworth, Ontario, Canada. Today's date is April the 7th, 2018. And compared to last week's report, which was completely fake, this is real. So not an April Fool's joke this time, sorry. As you can see, the lake has actually progressed. Open all the way around from where the Salmon River comes in and on the left side of the screen, through the Narrows and out at the northish end of South Beaver Lake, which is in the background there. Interesting crack forming on the left. We'll have a closer look at that in a moment. We'll do a little pan around, just proving that I can in fact pan from left to right. It was an incredibly windy day today. I managed to make it out fairly early in the morning. This was around 8 o'clock, and it wasn't too bad then. Oh yeah, in the bottom left there's a Inset showing pretty much the same day last year. Very similar progress, I'd say. Maybe, I don't know, about a week behind, something like that. But it was warmer last year and there was a lot more rain. So we'll see. We'll see where it comes out. As we pan around looking towards County Road 41 end of the lake, you can see the islands there appearing. Strange marks on the North Beaver Lake side, which is on the right hand side of the screen. I don't know whether this is somebody with an enormous cake slicer chopping up brownies, or it's parking lots for aircraft carriers, but I'm assuming those are cracks, certainly cracks going across from left to right across the lake. I don't know whether maybe just wind patterns. Anyway, heading back to near the Narrows, there's that strange crack. It goes all the way across from the open water to the land on the north side of North Beaver Lake. Here we are looking straight down. I'm about, I think it was about 15-20 meters off the ice, so still fairly high. I'm a little paranoid about getting too much lower after my ice derby crash there the other day. We get some lens flare. Can't have a shot without lens flare. Pulling back from that same area. Here we are at the other end of North Beaver Lake, so near the County Road 41 end of North Beaver Lake. A little thawed spot down there near the farm, where the farm is adjacent to the lake, and an interesting crack that goes all the way across. We'll have a little zoom in here and have a look much closer down. You can see it's cracked, and then there's been a little bit of water that's come up through and refrozen and cracked again. And here's down near the Lakeview Tavern boat launch sort of area, where the creek passes under the highway from White Lake, which you can see in the top left, which looks pretty open. I haven't been over there. Again, the strange slicing effect on the ice. It's almost as if once it goes, it's going to just go like a tray of ice cubes. I'm not sure. It's going to be interesting. Here we are a little lower down. Strange patterns on the ice. And then looking straight down. I think it was maybe, I don't know, 15 feet off the ice at this point. At any rate, I hope you enjoyed this status report. Here's a beautiful shot from the Narrows. So, hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like and comment. Appreciate it every time you do. Thanks again. Bye.